nice straight line, and I'll be okay. My name is Mary Michelle Worthy. It's my new song, Frustrated. Thank you for listening.